Hey everybody, welcome back. FSU Off-Road, Anthony here. Now that we got the rear axle completed, minus final weldment, the front axle, steering, rocker panels, rear bumper, the surprise for mom, it's time to start working on the three-piece member that goes underneath the Jeep. What we started out with is a Rubicon Express lift. We got some components here to make it a 3-link in the front, because right now it's set up for a Y-link system. We're going to put some more brackets in the rear for a 4-link system. And right now everything is drilled to 9/16 holes, and as you know, we're going to 5/8 bolts throughout the whole Jeep, so we have a lot of drilling to do. All right, so this is the Rubicon Express long arm kit, 3-piece belly pan that they do. These are going to be on the outskirts, and then obviously you'll have a 1/4-inch plate on the inside. Now that we got our holes drilled to 5/8, I've already done some pre-fitment with the Barnes Enduro joints. Unfortunately, we have some clearance issues. On this side, on the front, where the joint and the support bracket in the back meet, there's a little bit of clearance issue, so we'll need to take that clearance out. And then as far as the back goes, we have a bracket up here that's way too small for what we're going to be needing. So I'm going to take this bracket off, have a flat plate, and then we'll build a 4-link suspension bracket off of this. So we've took some pre-measurements underneath the Jeep, have an idea of what we're going to do. We just got to execute it now with these 2 belly pan pieces. Working on our 3-piece belly pan system here. Got our flat bottom links for Rockwell. We're going to cut them down to size, get them mounted here, and build a support for them. That way we can get these things underneath the Jeep. Now that we got our brackets cut to the proper length, holes drilled 5/8, it's time to get these set on top. Ideally, I would want these to be roughly 10 degrees pointed out, but these were prefabbed from Rubicon Express, so I'm just gonna go with what they have here. It shouldn't be an issue with these Enduro joints. They have plenty of flex. So instead of making this one straight, just because the top links are more angled in, I'm actually gonna turn this one roughly about 10 degrees in, if not 15, and we'll go from there. Now that we got it set where we want it, we'll just throw a couple tacks on there. That'll be perfect for the lower joint, the upper joint, and like I said, we'll build a little truss off the back. Should turn out nicely. All right, we went ahead and duplicated the other side. So now we just gotta get it underneath the Jeep, test fit it, make sure we don't have to move anything. Then we'll add a back truss here to both of them. And then we'll actually put our front 3-link piece in. And we'll actually build a bracket for it and actually weld it directly to the frame. Okay, so we got our bracket all tack welded together here. Since there's not gonna be any changes as far as how this is gonna fit in there, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and weld this up on the out seams, as well as get a bead on the inside there. And then we'll get these seams on the outside welded up, and this bracket will be welded to the frame. Actually, I might build another plate to actually go over the frame to protect the frame as well from any kind of hairline fractures that might happen along this outer edge. All right, so we got our bracket all welded up, and the welds turned out nicely. All right, everybody, that's it. That's all the brackets, all the axles, everything. Now we just got to pull Tinker in the garage and get ready to put this lift on. So make sure you watch the next video for all that. If you like what you saw, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.